presented by the Divine Wisdom.
Friends, the truth I'm sharing with you today wasn't learned from any book, any sermon, or any great thinker. These lessons came from people, from friends, from deep experiences, and from those painful moments when life tested me from every direction. These lessons didn't come with warnings. They came from the hurt of betrayal, from broken trust, from the sting of loneliness, and from those nights when my heart was heavy and my mind was full of questions. But the most beautiful thing? This pain, this darkness, this loneliness became my greatest teachers. They taught me things no human could ever teach. Because some lessons are only learned through living, not through writing. I'm sharing these lessons with you today so you don't have to go through the same journey I did. So your steps don't falter where mine did. This is the greatest truth of life. It doesn't explain first, it teaches directly. Some experiences break us to the core. But that very breakdown also gives us new strength. I too have experienced many long nights. Nights where sleep couldn't come, only pain and questions. Moments where faith shattered and I had to put my own pieces together. I fought silent battles that no one saw. But each battle introduced me to the power hidden within me. These struggles made one thing clear. Life changes when a person learns to rebuild themselves after being broken from within. That's why today I am. Don't just read these lessons, but take them to heart. Because if you understand them, believe me, your life can be spared years of pain. Friends, your life becomes powerful the day you accept that you are the master of your own energy, you are the keeper of your own peace, and you are the creator of your own growth. Don't rely on anyone else. Take charge of yourself, lift yourself up, and move forward. And this is the signal you've been waiting for. Start transforming into the strongest version of yourself today. Because the power you've been searching for outside has always been within you.